Which animal has the strongest bite? Number 1 is wolf with 406 psi. And number 2 we got lion with 650 psi. Oh. Number 3 we got tiger with 1050 psi. Tiger is stronger than lion. Ow. Number 4 we got hyena with 1100 psi. How's a hyena stronger than a tiger and the lion? Number 6 we got silverback. Gorilla, I think. We got 1300 psi. And jaguar with 1500 psi. How a jaguar is stronger than a lion? Can somebody explain this? Strange. And next we got hippo with 1821 psi. That's normal. He got a big mouth. That's normal. Look at those teeth, bro. Next, we got Nile crocodile with 3700 psi. That's crazy. And final one, we got white shark with 3991 psi. Bro, shark's bite is the strongest. And it's scary, bro. Shark is really scary. Subscribe.